All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the nose back on the car. This is not another item that's under the grill in here is this temperature sensor. My little bracket's a little broke, but I'm gonna make it work. There is a piece of the frame here with a hole in it. I'm gonna use that to attach it. In there. Don't forget to attach that. Underneath here, you've got your fog light wire. You gotta remember to plug that in. The jack is pointing down. You can see it right there. So that's where you're gonna plug it into. Gotta remember to do that before you button everything up. And then underneath, in front of the wheel, you've got a place where there are two 7mm screws, one here and one here. And then there's a tab here that folds over the front from this piece that's in the wheel well. So you're gonna wanna make sure you put these two screws in. These are 7mm hex. You're gonna have a screw, and a screw here. And then down at the bottom, there's one more hole. You're gonna use one of these plugs, plastic plugs, down in here. Also got a plastic plug hole in here. Try to line that up and put your plug in. Need to get that lined up and push that right in there. And here's the upper screw right here. This one's pretty important because you're bonding the plastic to your metal fender. So make sure you get that one nice and tight and lined up. All done at this point. Only thing remaining is take care of the body work. That dent on the hood there, this alignment, there's a pretty good gap on this fender. Shouldn't be that wide. If I could get that straightened out and the fender alignment fixed, I would be happy. I'm gonna take it to a paintless dent repair place, see what magic they can work. For right now, it's drivable, and we're just waiting on paperwork for the salvage title to be converted to a rebuild title and get a new registration, and we'll be ready to go. Everything else is done at this point. Really can't think of anything more we got to do to have this thing roadworthy again. So that's it. Hey, I hope the series of videos on this Equinox was helpful to you. And if you're rebuilding one, you could learn a few things in there for what you're going to get into. And as always, I hope you have a great day.